Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I am so excited to see every single one of you here. As you can see, I am currently driving. I'm on my way to work. Thought I might take this opportunity to say good morning and get the ball rolling for a day in a life and what I eat in a day. For those of you who are new here, because I know I have a lot of new subscribers this week, I currently follow the WW Blue plan. I get 31 points per day and I get 42 points for my weeklies. I've got some awesome food planned for today. I did pre-track. I have a recipe I am super excited to show you guys tonight. I am going to be making a cook with me on that one, so watch for that coming up here within the next week or so. But anyways, I need to focus on the road. So real quick, before we start our whole day, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would absolutely appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family and you would like to be, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love to have you. And real quick, again, because I think I've said real quick, like how many times now? Let me go ahead and show you my coffee cup for today. This is my dollar store coffee cup that Ariana bought me, and it says Tropical Life. This is the first time I've used this one, so yay for the end of summer. I'm pulling out these summer travel cups. But anyways, I gotta focus on the road. We're coming into some traffic here, so I will see you guys here in a bit. See ya.
Okay, time for some breakfast at the office. Here I have the white chocolate raspberry Quest bar for 5 points. Again, all points for today are calculated on the blue plan. How good does the inside of that look? Guys, I'm telling you what, if you haven't tried these Quest bars, I highly suggest them. They are wonderful. I'm going to add 1 hard-boiled egg for 0 points. And then I am also going to start working on my water for the day. This is my big Bubba cup from Walmart. I just add ice water and the sugar-free juice packets to this throughout the day, and it helps me keep my water intake up. Time for some el luncho. Yumma, yumma, yumma. As you can see, I'm just going to have a lunch meat sandwich, and then I've got some unsweetened applesauce, I believe from Walmart, with cinnamon in it. For the bread, I've got the Aunt Millie's Live Carb Smart 5-seed bread. It is 2 slices for 2 points. I've added 1 Velveeta cheese slice for 1 point. Then we've got 3 ounces of the Members Mark Buffalo Style Chicken for 2 points. And then, of course, I have added the infamous dill pickle mustard. This is the one from Walmart. I believe it's the Great Value brand. I am currently on a mission to find the dill pickle mustard from Trader Joe's though, so just had to add that in there. I look for it every time I go and I have not been able to find it, but Dish with D hauled it on one of her Trader Joe's videos, so I know it exists. But anyways, this is a 5-point lunch. And with this 5-point lunch, I will be drinking one of my lemon-flavored Spindrifts. These are 0 points.
Oh my goodness, guys. That was a frickin' afternoon. I did not even have time to stop and eat a snack. I am happy to be home. I am going to rest for a few minutes, and then I am going to head to the kitchen to get dinner started. Alright, guys, here is dinner. What this is cracked chicken stuffed in a bell pepper. If y'all want to know how I made this, keep your eye open for the cook with me. Mr. Chaos and I worked pretty hard on putting one together for you. This entire thing right here is 3 points on blue plan. So I'm going to go ahead and eat my dinner, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Okay, time for some me time. I'm going to put on a face mask, sit down and watch some YouTube, and get ready for bed. Ta-da!